Thursday, right? So happy it's Thursday. So, as you may be aware, the Davos conference is happening in Switzerland, and uh, Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, spoke to one of those business news channels and said that he hopes for options and futures to have some regulation from the SEC because he's bullish on crypto. And so, given that the last time he told the regulators what to do, they did it. When he said he wanted ETFs, they finally agreed. Not a surprise, because that's what regulators do. They listen to them that have. And so expect probably that we will see some kind of regulations to make possible the trading of options and futures in the next year or so, maybe longer, who knows, but it would not be surprised to see that happen even this year or next year. Maybe it'll take 2 years, we'll see. But I doubt it'll take very much longer than that if he's going to press them about it. Because last time he pressed them about it, it didn't take very long for those ETFs to go live for Bitcoin and then quickly for Ethereum right after that. That, of course, is not information you can trade intraday on. I mean, you could try, but it would be foolish because markets don't move according to the news, right? Show me the charts, I'll tell you the news. Right? The only reason that the market is actually where it is because of the VEPs. The volatility, the entropy, the probability, and statistics have driven the market to be where it is today. And that's the reason that people like Larry Fink care at all about crypto, right? If it was still the case that Bitcoin was about $10 a coin, he probably wouldn't care about it very much at all. Right? It wouldn't be on his radar. But it's not. It's not $10. It's not $1,000. It's not $10,000. It's $100,000 and change, right? More than 100 grand per coin. And at traditional market open today, we saw an initial nice little move to the upside. The asset, the last I looked at it anyway, was still below the central daily range, which it had not yet tested on the day. Neither had Solana, just as an example. And they are relatively tight central daily ranges today, so it is probably a trending day, and we have seen some trending moves on the 15-minute time frame. Obviously, we've seen more on the lower time frames. But yeah, if it does manage to get to that central daily range and continue through it, then we could see a nice move to the upside today. The asset is certainly set to make a nice move today or tomorrow, possibly Saturday or Sunday, but definitely today or tomorrow, because it recently had an intersect. For example, Bitcoin had an intersect of the 30 and the 33 power means with the RMLRs on the daily time frame. So that indicates a very high probability for a nice move relative to the time frame. And daily time frames can have very nice moves. So I would not be surprised to see 3, 4, 5% returns in the next couple of days, maybe more. Whether that's to the downside or the upside doesn't matter, right? But certainly there are distributions and mean reversions in both directions on different time frames. So keep an eye out to see what is likely to possibly happen, or to probably what will happen. Basically, what will play out with the VEPs. So that is what's happening in brief in the crypto markets. We're seeing the assets move along very nicely. We saw Bitcoin hold steady near inside of that central daily range yesterday and not break out of it to the upside. And as Bilbo, my fellow co-founder at Alpha Trading, mentioned during the live stream yesterday, and I concurred, if Bitcoin could not break out above that central daily range, it was just going to hang around it, then you would likely see a dip in Solana. And in fact, that's exactly what we saw. And you saw a dip also on Bitcoin today when the daily candle started. So again, if you want to know what's likely to happen today and the rest of the day, tune into not just my videos here, but tune into our live stream at Alpha Trading. Just go to alphatradinghq.com/Discord and tune in, join us in the live streams there. And they start at 11 a.m. U.S. Eastern Time. See you later. Happy trading.